Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a dividend yield projection calculator works to forecast future passive income. First, the calculator begins with your starting investment, which is the amount of money you already have invested. For example, if you start with a $15,000 portfolio, that amount becomes the base from which your future dividend income is projected. Next, you set the dividend yield, because this tells the calculator how much income the investment may generate each year. For instance, if the portfolio has a 4.5% dividend yield, the calculator uses that rate to estimate the annual dividend income produced by your holdings. After that, you add regular contributions, because many investors continue to invest every month or every year. For example, if you contribute $250 per month, the calculator includes those ongoing additions to show how your portfolio can grow faster over time. Then, you estimate dividend growth, which means how much you expect the dividend payments to increase each year. For example, if you assume 5% annual dividend growth, the calculator projects rising dividend income in future years instead of keeping the income flat. Next, you choose the time period, because passive income forecasting depends greatly on how long the money stays invested. For example, a 10-year projection gives the calculator enough time to show the effects of growth, compounding, and additional contributions. Afterward, the calculator runs the projection by combining your starting portfolio, dividend yield, regular contributions, dividend growth, and time period. As a result, it estimates future portfolio value, total dividends received, and the income growth you may experience over the selected years. Then, you review the income forecast to understand the outcome more clearly. For example, the total amount contributed may reach about $45,000, while the estimated portfolio value may grow to around $67,000 or more. At the same time, the estimated annual passive income in year 10 may rise to about $3,000 or more, and the estimated monthly passive income may reach around $250 or more. In addition, the calculator helps you see how passive income can grow step by step over time. In the early years, the income may be modest, but as contributions continue and dividends increase, the projected income can become much more meaningful. Moreover, the results can change depending on several important factors. A higher dividend yield may raise income faster, while stronger dividend growth may increase future payouts more significantly. Likewise, more time strengthens compounding, and regular contributions can accelerate both portfolio growth and passive income growth. Overall, a dividend yield projection calculator is a useful tool for investors who want to estimate future cash flow from dividend investments. It helps turn assumptions about yield, growth, and contributions into a practical long-term income forecast. However, it is important to remember that these projections are only illustrative, because actual dividend yields, growth rates, and market returns can vary. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.